Hey everyone, so here we are at the Riparian Preserve to go ahead and test out the Gosky spotting scope. And I'll be testing out a little GoPro adapter at the end of this. See how we do today. So here's the camera with the mount. It was just a simple 3D print that I made myself, just using a simple CAD program using Windows. You can use other programs, but this is currently using the GoPro 7 Black. It's not perfect, but I am definitely still working on it. This is the first one that I've actually made. I had someone else make me something different. Didn't quite care for how many moving parts there were. But we're currently looking at probably about 100 yards or so away. But I am loving the detail that I'm getting out of this. This is really, really nice. Hoping to use this for shooting expeditions or something like that, or even just recording my target shooting, just so I can be able to use a cheaper method instead of having to use something else. But we'll see if we can get some other footage of things around the lake here. It is a little finicky, granted, for something that's only been made once, but this is using only 20 power. The issue that I've had, at least with the other scopes, not the scopes, but with the phone mount that I had originally with this spotting scope, is that when I did this, switch it from 20 power to then 60 power, it made it kind of difficult to rotate and get this adjusted properly. I was able to get that adjusted. But this is currently at 60 power, just looking across that lake just a little bit further. So we're probably getting closer to maybe 150 to maybe 200 yards. Just over there we have two little mourning doves. You can't see it on here, but I'll show you now. They seem to have been born this year. They're not too old. There's one right here in front, as you can see. Right now we are on 60 power. And look behind it, you can see his friend just chilling back there. We're probably about 15-20 yards. Currently this is using 20x. Probably get maybe about 20-30 yards using the GoPro 7. So we have the basic lakes for a lot of the waterfowl that live around here. They also do have some of these bigger stands up here, so that way those that don't like to make nests on the ground have the opportunity to nest in higher areas. Some have been here maybe a little longer than others, just a little bit. But it gives them a great opportunity to be able to be out here, and to be honest, I actually haven't seen any kind of predators out here. I haven't even seen any coyotes or wolves, but I've heard that there are some foxes or something like that that live around in these areas. But it's very peaceful. Cottontail is literally about 3 feet away from me. I've got some shots of those that I'll show here in a second. But These birds almost don't care that you're even here. You don't even care that you walk by them. Cute thing. As all things do, they come to a close, and so as this video. I appreciate you coming in here and watching with me with all these wonderful birds and all the different animals here at the Riparian Preserve, but also check out the spotting scope as well as its adapter for the GoPro. Hope you like it as just as I do. Here's the future.